Hey guys, Aaron here for the love of tech. You're here because you love technology. I'm here because I love technology. And more importantly, we are here because you want to see if I can break my Google Pixel 4 XL in a drop test. And I'm sorry, every time I say Google, the damn thing makes a noise and it thinks that I'm calling its name, but I'm really not. So what I have over here is a brand new in the box Pixel 4 XL, just for this amazing drop test we're doing with these cases and other cases I have on the way. This has been my go-to reaching for first device ever since it came out. I love it. I have a review coming out shortly. I don't know when. I haven't done it yet, but I'm gonna done it really soon. So stick around, stay tuned. It's not gonna be very long. I'm gonna have my review, but I don't want to break that device. So I got a new device that we're gonna go ahead and open up right now. Here we go. All these. Wrapping love for all you weirdos out there. Brand new Pixel 4 XL, nice black polish. You can see everyone seemed to have an opinion about this one way or the other. I really don't. I like it. I think if you put it in a case with a screen protector, what can go wrong? It's a beautiful glass sandwich like all other top tier high-end phones these days. What could go wrong? Well, we're about to see what could go wrong in just a moment, but first let's go ahead and just explore the cases that we're actually reviewing today. So this is the Plasma Clear by Urban Armor Gear, also known as UAG. There we go. It is the Plasma, and it's the clear one. Fits in nice and easy. That's one of the things that I always appreciate and love about Urban Armor Gear. That and their button locations are on point and always very, very easy to press. There are some case manufacturers out there, but the buttons are kind of hard. And sometimes it's even the original manufacturer where the buttons are really, really tough to press. Whereas this one, it's just really simple, really easy. And I really, really, really appreciate it. If we go ahead and the good stuff is actually, it's on the inside. You can see from looking inside the corners that there's actually like little pockets that help protect your device. So if it drops, you got some added protection. And here, the back of your phone is flat, but all of this, it's air and cushion in the middle. So see if you can just follow me along there. You put it in the case, but this part here isn't pressed up 100% flush onto your phone. Right, there's a little bit of protection there, a little bit of added space in case you drop it. It doesn't hit the glass like chow, break it. But we're gonna see what happens today. This is it. This is the Plasma by Urban Armor Gear. This is the clear one. So looking through here, it does create kind of a smoky type of look, which the next case is the smoky gray case. So I'm really interested to see how dark this looks in here. Goes in nice and easy. And because this case is kind of a darker color to begin with, this actually looks really good. I actually love the way this looks. Take a look at that. It looks phenomenal. It feels great. You definitely cannot go wrong with this color or this phone. And this is the made by Google case. And if you can see, I've only had it a little bit and it's already scuffed up and it's dirty and it looks like it has germs on it. It looks like this is a cesspool for germs. It looks cool. It feels great in my hand. But when it comes to cleanliness, this one doesn't make me feel that good. And it's also kind of a fabric-y type of thing. Whereas this, if I want to wipe it off with some Lysol, I'm not feeling like I'm going to destroy my phone, let alone the case. This, I feel like I'm probably going to destroy the case. But here it is, the beautiful white, the beautiful black. Kind of see the drastic difference between the two. But let's see what the white looks like when we put it in there. So again, looks kind of smoky, gives a little bit of a white glow around that. So that does look pretty good. Let's see what it looks like in the clear case. All right, so that looks similar to what my S10 Plus looked like, which I love the color of that phone as well. So I've been really digging the white phones recently. I didn't get a white iPhone 11 Pro, but it's not that I wouldn't, I just didn't. This is our last one of this video. This is the Monarch, strictly black and red, completely covers your phone. So it doesn't really matter what color you get. If you're getting this case, you know this is what your phone is going to look like. I've had this case on about 4 different models of phones already, so I'm kind of used to it. It's grown on me over the years. I think I've been using this case for about a couple years now. So there we go. See, it doesn't really matter what color your phone is because this is what your phone looks like now. Whereas with the clear, smoky plasma and this one, you kind of get a little effect, if you will. This kind of eliminates the need of getting the color phone that you want because this is what your phone is now going to look like. Which, if you're not into this, it's not for you. Personally, it's grown on me, but it's not what I would want 100% of the time. It's definitely something I want if I'm going to go out into the woods. Right? If I'm going to go camping or climbing Mount Everest or swimming underwater, baking lasagna or anything else crazy. This case, it's harder than this, right? Like, it feels a little harder. This one feels a little bit more plasticky. This one feels a little bit more solid. It's got kind of a leather look and feel to it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this phone and put it back over here because this is not our drop test phone. We're going to take this, put it in here, and just do a quick little drop, and we're going to see what that looks and what that feels like actually dropping a device from pocket level. Because I've heard you guys are like, Aaron, your drop tests are wimpy. Aaron, that's not a real drop test. You know what's a drop test? Let me tell you, if I drop something and I'm testing it and I'm making a video, that's a drop test. So to go ahead and recap, we've got 2 plasmas and a Monarch, both super solid, super stylish. I love all 3. The clear plasma is always my choice, if I gotta be honest and I'm telling the truth. So stay tuned, I'll be right back. Okay, here we are. Pixel 4 XL, brand new right out the box. A little nervous, a little scared. What we're doing here is I got the main camera here and I've got the Galaxy Note 10 Plus down here that I'm gonna try to capture some slow-mo. And then with this hand, I'm gonna be recording with the, what is this? The iPhone 11 Max Pro. So that's what we have going on. We've got angles from all over the place. We're gonna drop this phone and we're gonna see what it looks and feels like. So I'm so nervous, wish me luck. That was like flat on the ground. It was like so flat, like pow! Oh! I thought that was a fracture. I think we're good, guys. Oh, that was scary. All right, we're gonna do another one. All right, pull it out of our pocket, like, you know, pulling the phone out and accidentally. All the way over there. All the way over there, little guy. Again, nothing too crazy. No damage. This is the Monarch. Let's go ahead and jump into the plyos and see if anything happens there. Now, the ends are scuffed up a little bit, which is what we would expect from a case, right? Nothing wrong with the back. We're still looking good. So let's go ahead and put this bad boy in here. Here it is, the plasma. Still in good looking condition. No problems there. Putting her in my pocket. Whoopsie. Oh, pretty good. Let's take a look. Okay. No damage that I can see. Let's do a good little drop on the edge now. Okay, we're almost there. We can do this. Drop straight down. Ooh! Ooh, that one smacked. Did you hear that? No damage anywhere. These cases are tough as nails. Nothing anywhere. Looks amazing. Okay guys, wrapping up the video. Drop tests are emotional. They're full of adrenaline. They're full of excitement. You don't know what's going to happen. Am I dropping my phone to oblivion? Am I about to destroy my phone? What a drop test like this takes is trust. Trust in your case manufacturer. So you need to ask yourself right now, this very moment, do I trust my case manufacturer enough to take my phone out of my pocket and just drop it and see what happens? If you do, I want to hear from you below. If you don't, I want to hear from you too. Either way, head down to the comments. Tell me what you think about the video. Was this drop test enough droppage for you? Was it? Huh? You know who I'm talking to. I'm talking to you. If you liked the video, please consider giving me a thumbs up. If you really liked the video, please consider hitting that subscribe button. And if you really liked the video and you want to see more like this, please go ahead and share my content with your friends and family on social media. I'm Aaron. I love tech. You love tech. For the love of tech. Namaste.